What is the medical term for a nosebleed? The correct answer is option C, epistaxis. Myology is the study of what part of the body? Muscle, it studies structures and functions of the muscle. Madarosis refers to the loss of what? It refers to the loss of eyelashes. Which vitamin is essential for preventing night blindness? Vitamin A supports vision in low light. Phthalate is a medical term for what condition? Club foot turns inward or downward. A port fracture occurs in which part of the body? Ankle, it is the fracture around the ankle joint. Which part of the body is commonly known as Adam's apple? Thyroid cartilage. It is the laryngeal structure in the neck. What is the medical term for undescended testes? Cryptorchidism. Testes fail to descend into the scrotum. Aphakia is a condition that affects which part of the body? Eyes, it is the absence of the eye lens. What role does cartilage plays in the body? Cushioning and supporting. It reduces friction in the joint. Humans can breathe and swallow at exactly the same time. True or false? False. The airway closes during swallowing. Which protein forms the main structure of hair and nails? Keratin. It is a strong structural protein. How many lobes are found in the right lungs? 3 lobes. It has upper, middle, and lower lobes. What is the primary job of a gallbladder? Storage of bile. It stores bile from the liver. What type of muscle tissue exists only in the heart? Cardiac muscle. It is found only in the heart. What structure serves as a passage for both food and air? The correct answer is pharynx. Which substance gives red blood cells their color? The correct answer is hemoglobin. It is the oxygen-carrying pigment. What structures inside the heart stops blood from flowing backward? The correct answer is valves. Which body system controls growth and metabolism using hormones? Endocrine system. It controls body functions through hormones. What is the major role of the respiratory system? Gas exchange. Which tube transports urine from kidneys to the bladder? Ureter. Ketones can build up as a waste product in diabetes. True or false? True. Ketone forms when fat is used for energy. Which of these conditions is not classified as autoimmune disease? The correct answer is tuberculosis. It is a bacterial infection, not autoimmune. What are the two main parts of central nervous system? Brain and spinal cord. They control body's activities and signals. What do you call a doctor who specializes in hormone disorders? Endocrinologists. They treat hormone-related diseases. Glucagon is released when blood sugar level falls too low. True or false? True. Glucagon raises blood glucose levels. Which bone protects the brain by forming the skull? Cranium. What type of joint connects the bones of the skull together? Sutures. What is the name of the fluid that protects the brain and the spinal cord? Cerebrospinal fluid. Which part of the eye controls the amount of incoming light? Iris. The iris adjusts pupil size to control light entry. Share your final score in the comments and tell us which question was the hardest.